ต่อilu local park นะแล้วมันต้องร้องก็ขึ้นก็เลยตัวมัน walking แกนั่นจะเจอ redwood น้อยที่จะล้อสวยสุดเลยก็จะจนต้องนอนล้อชีล้อเลยรู้แล้วก็ trunk นะ so beautiful ล้อติดเที่ยวแล้วกูตัวชัวร์เลยรู้ local library ที่รู้ร้องก็ขึ้นก็เลยที่เลยแต่ยังตัวชัวร์รู้ city กันเนาะอยากชูมือชัวร์ที่นะฉันก็ติดเที่ยวแล้วตัวกงกากระพนแต่ตัวตื่นนู้นเนาะตัวเราเลยเนาะก็ย้อนกระเช็ดสิท่ารอติดเตี้ยเลยสิเด้อฉันก็ตัวที่มัวสิเหรออยู่ตัวมัวยอแต่เนาะแท้นะมัวประเดี๋ยวฉันก็ขึ้นเกาหลีสิเด้อจนต้องล่อเลยล่อโซ่รอติดเตี้ยเลยจนต้องนั่นนะNothing but beautiful redwoods ที่จนตรงนั้นล้อรงก็สวยเลยจะจนตรงนั้นล้อจีล้อเลยนะชัวร์กูใช้แต่น่ะตอนทอลุ้นน้อยลุ้น trunks นะอ๋อไปตัวเนาะโอเคหมดติ้งแห่งย้อนหรือเต้นน้องเท่าlà tao nói do có cho nó lúa library nữa rốn gỗ liều mà cho tên đại ga kia một trò the lúa library nữa rồi thì cái lúa library rong shop là more view so today I'm doing just like a local walk Xung quanh tình thế lên như có nhỏ hỏi có sai khó view kiến xung quanh tình thế lên sao cũng muốn gạo nữa xuống đó trời nó tiếng hàng rộng there's like a little garden here Explore Taipei, but they on Yangtze the hotel na. This is a big bridge, and then today it's low tide, so I can actually walk right along the beach area. Okay, this part is very rocky. Barnacles. Today is super sunny. You can see all the way across to San Francisco City, where I was at yesterday. So this is right under the huge bridge. I see some people are out here fishing, so it must be a good fishing spot. Again, it's low tide, so the water isn't high. Then you can see, because it's such a clear day, you can see all the way to where the Bay Bridge is. It's way over there. And then of course San Francisco City. Okay. Super clear day today. Take a look at the clouds. It is a little windy. Pretty today. It looks like it's super sunny, more sunny than it was yesterday when I was in the city. Okay, so just some parts of these beautiful homes along the shoreline. Okay, San Francisco City, and then the Bay Bridge and the marina way over there, Alcatraz. Island right over there. Okay, and today there are people out fishing. So on this corner. So I'm out on this corner today. I'm gonna see if I can catch a good sunset tonight. I've just been not doing it. I was busy, out late, exploring, and I think the first day there was a better sunset. And then the second day it was super cloudy, so I think I wasn't able to see it. But today, let's see. It was bright, but some of the clouds are rolling in, so who knows if I'm gonna be able to catch it. But I'm gonna actually go to Rodeo Beach in Marin Headland to just put my feet in the ocean water. So that's where I'm gonna go next from here. I just explored the Mill Valley Public Library. It was so beautiful. It's right within the forest. So beautiful. I kind of went there, read a book, picked a book and read it. It was a very interesting story. So I didn't want to miss out on beach time, so I left the library, but it looked like I also caught like a circus act that they had going on. Wow, looks like the cloud is rolling in. Hopefully it doesn't block the sunset. So I think what I'm gonna go do is I'm gonna go to the beach, and then I want to come back here to catch the sunset up in the little patio area. Okay? So see you later at the beach. Chứ nó giờ li cho mong tờ là nó của thể của xã mù tờ beach mù họ hiking tờ Rodeo Beach mà ta chỉ của hong gang của mù walking around Mill Valley area. Sai lời lũ library lo mù walking on là cho tân tẩy lo. Chạy tàu của lý trời chạy tàu của chim mùa của lò nhỏ nó xua luôn hú bóng ná cho họ của xua weather the Rodeo Beach trong gò lên muốn gì cloudy ná so nó thế chỉ cho cloudy chạy tàu của nhỏ nó trên này ở trong gò. So I'm gonna just sit here, chill, relax, have their complimentary cheese and wine to end the evening as I wait on for the sun to set. Hopefully it'll be pretty today, okay? So no beach time today. I'm gonna call it a night and just wait for the sunset here. But take a look how beautiful it is today. All right, super beautiful. There's Mount Tam way over there. Haven't gone hiking there in a while now. Maybe I should go back again. But there you go. So yeah, one other reason why I wasn't thinking about going is because of the wind too. Kind of started getting a little windy. So I think I'm gonna just wait off and just see the sun set from here at the hotel. Oh yeah, to show the sunset. Now mà ta chỉ nó nọ bỏ hoa lệ, show bỏ yo bỏ liao là sẽ đó. Ta chỉ này họ bỏ, lu hotel, chi, nhà show trong này kìa. Purple flowers. It is summer, so you get the summer flowers, which are the lavenders and everything. What is this? Thought it was lavender. It's not sage. This is a pretty summer garden. These orange flowers are so pretty. fluffy. Jungle. Chị sẽ cho clouds on một tờ. Nửa bột giáo, như nửa giá bị thali bỏ. The sunset. Chùa lót chữ, môn gì nó. Likely, nhớ lên tờ bụi gì. The beach mà nó tờ rong xe cho họ nữa môn gì nó. Thế chùa lót chữ. Again, these are so pretty. No, young grass no, jungle tiền. So mama more upstairs, huh? Bỏ rong. Japan is only it's on fire. Go to the there's only and of course the usual beautiful succulents. Oh yeah. Cecilia, kind of like a golden color, covered by dark clouds. Shamo no papoyo, sunset color luna. Oh, shakama. Oh, Minji. Inside the room, show a little more. No. Bago requirement. Shanka pataw. My card. Let's see if I can get in. Ooh, got that. Huh. Wow. So jungle can go lena and galono. They would need assistance for the fire pit. So I'm just gonna sit for a little bit. Okay guys, I don't think we're gonna be catching the sunset tonight that well. Just getting a little bit of the sunset colors over here, and that's pretty much it. Nothing spectacular this time. Okay, that's the evening. Later on I will take some photos when the light is out. That's usually pretty nice.